Unit 13 Hydrocarbons. Aliphatic hydrocarbons. First point, alkanes nomenclature. Nomenclature, the names of the first four alkanes, methane, ethane, propane and butane, are trivial names or common names. From the fifth onwards, the common names are derived by prefixing the Greek numerals penta for 5 carbon atom and hexa for 6 carbon atom, etc. to the terminal ane. That is why pentane and hexane. Point number 1. The straight chain alkanes having no branching are termed as normal alkane, and it is written as small letter n, put a hyphen, and alkane. For example, normal butane, the structure is CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. Second point, the alkanes having one branching on the second carbon atom of the chain is termed as isoalkane. Yes, for example, CH3, CH, one side chain or a branching CH3 and CH3 on the straight chain, known as isobutane. This is also written as small letter ISO and butane. Third point, the alkanes having two methyl groups attach the second carbon atom of the continuous chain referred to as neoalkane. That means second carbon atom is possessing two methyl group and the other two valencies are also possessed by CH3. This is the ending CH3, this is a starting CH3. This type of compound is known as neopentane. IUPAC system of naming, isomerism and the free radical mechanism mentioned in the syllabus, which we already covered in the mechanism chapter. Now, general methods of preparation. Total 6 methods of preparations are there. First, we are going to discuss 3 methods and the second other 3 methods. If you are thorough with all the chemical formula, you find it very easy to follow these methods of preparation. I hope you all studied the chemical formula what is given to you to prepare for the alkane preparation and properties. First method of preparation is from sodium salt of carboxylic acid or decarboxylation. That process is known as decarboxylation because the carboxyl group is completely removed. The general formula of a carboxylic acid, sodium salt of carboxylic acid, is RCONA. And general formula for an alkane is RH. Therefore, let us see that how RH is obtained from RCONA. Sodium salt of carboxylic acid when heated with, that means RCONA, when heated with soda lime, that is a mixture of sodium hydroxide and calcium oxide. Sodium hydroxide should be written along as a reactant and calcium oxide should be written above the arrow, and the temperature above or below, that is 630 Kelvin. The product obtained is an alkane, that is RH. RH represents in general any alkane plus sodium carbonate Na2CO3. This is the general equation from sodium salt of carboxylic acid. Using this principle, for the ISC examination, the application level question can be asked, how will you prepare methane using a sodium salt of carboxylic acid? Or when sodium acetate is heated with soda lime, what are the products obtained? The same answer for different two types questions. Another question is that sodium propionate when heated with soda lime at 630 Kelvin, what are the products obtained? Or how will you prepare ethane using a sodium salt of propionic acid? They may not mention propionic acid. They'll ask, how will you prepare ethane by using a sodium salt of an acid? Therefore, try to write these two equations. Answers are given in the textbook. Check whether your answer is correct. Second method, Kolb's electrolytic method. This mechanism you didn't study, therefore I will explain how this Kolb's method helps you to prepare ethane. By this method, we cannot prepare methane. We can prepare only ethane because from the mechanism you can understand why it is. In this method, sodium or potassium salt of carboxylic acid is subjected to electrolysis. The following reaction takes place. The compound selected is sodium acetate. First step, 2 molecules of sodium acetate is required. If you start the reaction with 1 molecule, you are not going to get the marks for this electrolytic reaction because the reaction is not possible to produce ethane. That is a simple reason. 2 molecules of sodium acetate undergoes ionization and form 2 acetate ions and 2 sodium Na plus ions. Then comes anode and cathode. Second step, write anode. Anode is positive. Therefore, negative ions comes to the anode and release the 2 electrons. And as a result, it forms 2 acetate free radicals and 2 electrons are generated. These 2 acetate free radical forms 2 methyl free radical and carbon dioxide gas is eliminated. These 2 methyl free radicals join together and forms this ethane. That is how this ethane is liberated. 2 methyl free radicals join together and form ethane. Cathode negative, the reaction takes place is 2 Na plus accepts 2 electron and forms 2 Na. 2 Na reacts with, that means sodium is highly reactive with water. Sodium reacts with water and forms sodium hydroxide and hydrogen. This is how the ethane is produced by Kolb's electrolytic method. This can be asked as a short note. Write short note on Kolb's electrolysis, or how will you prepare ethane by Kolb's electrolytic method? These are the types of application level questions. Third method, from alcohols. Alcohols on reduction with a mixture of red phosphorus and hydriodic acid gives corresponding alkane. That is the theory part of it. Let us see that the general formula for alcohols is ROH. ROH represents an alcohol. Therefore, I am going to explain the general equation. You try to do the 2 application level questions based on this general reaction. ROH reacts with hydrogen iodide in presence of red phosphorus at a temperature of 423 Kelvin. Alkane is formed. Alkane can be represented by the general formula RH. The byproducts are I2 and water, iodine and water. Using this general principle, how will you prepare methane? Question number 1. That means which alcohol to be used. All the experimental conditions and the byproducts are more or less same. And second, how will you prepare ethane from an alcohol? How will you prepare methane from an alcohol? How will you prepare ethane from an alcohol? All the experimental conditions to be mentioned, hydriodic acid, red phosphorus, temperature, all are same. Only the change in byproduct, how you represent the alkane. Plus iodine is the same, water. And you have to balance the equation. These are the 3 methods for the general methods of preparation.